Assignment 2 has 3 steps. The first step is to copy the Student Online Readiness Questionnaire to your device. Upon clicking the Student Online Readiness Questionnaire link, you should not be able to input any data into the questionnaire directly. So you must therefore download a copy to your device so that you will be able to add your input to the downloaded spreadsheet. The first thing to do is click the Student Online Readiness Questionnaire link. Once the spreadsheet is opened on your device, click on File, then Make a Copy. And in this box that appears, you will type your first name, your last name, -online readiness. This student's name is Leo Blessing. Once you've got your name in there, click Make Copy at the bottom of the box. Check the top left corner of the spreadsheet to make sure that your first name, last name, and online readiness is there. And if all is good, you should now be able to input into this copied, renamed spreadsheet. Go ahead and close the tab for the original Google Sheet that you had opened. And that brings you to step 2. Step 2 is to complete the copied, renamed questionnaire by scoring each item in the 4 sections. The spreadsheet will total each section for you. You will see a scoring analysis below each section, allowing you to get an idea of where you might stand in relation to your online learning readiness. This knowledge should be used to encourage and help you to be well prepared for learning online. When finished, click on File, Download, and select Microsoft Excel.xlsx. Your file should go into the Downloads folder. You may want to print this file at this point. Be sure to close this document before you go into Step 2, Upload, or Step 3, Upload. So it's for Assignment 2, but it's Step 3 here. Step 3, upload your copy, renamed, and completed Student Readiness Out questionnaire here. Well, your download file should have saved to your Downloads folder on your device by default and will most likely appear at the top of your files list in that folder. Click the Assignment 2 Upload link. Then scroll down and select Browse Local Files. Most likely, your file will be at the top of the list. And this isn't a Windows computer, but on a Google Chrome, you'll see it at the top as well. Select the file and then click on Open at the bottom right corner. Once you've done that, scroll down to the bottom of your submission window and make sure that that file has been attached. Once you're sure of that, click Submit. You will be taken to a screen that will verify that your submission is complete. You can also go to My Grades and check under the last activity to see that it was submitted.